Hi, my name is Olli and I'm the product manager for OZO Player SDK. In this video, we are going to dive into the high-level APIs in OZO Player SDK. We designed the SDK to be a powerful but simple tool to use when designing VR experiences. We wanted to provide the same simple interface across the different platforms, allowing you to concentrate on creation itself. The SDK has 4 interface classes. You should start by creating the OZO Player, through which you can access the other 3 control interfaces called IAudio, IRender, and IPlayback controls. When creating the OZO Player interface, you need to provide platform-specific information in the platform parameters struct. The content of the struct depends on the platform you are developing on. In addition to that, you have to provide the analytics parameter struct, which should contain your freely selectable license ID. Now let's have a look at the interfaces in the main header file ozoplayer.h. IAudio is used to control the audio playback. We provide 2 different ways for handling the audio. One, which we call direct routing, where the SDK handles all the audio playback related tasks. This is our recommended way to handle audio. The second option is to create your own audio backend for situations where you want to handle the playback of the audio data yourself, or if our direct routing conflicts with your own audio solution. For this, there are more detailed instructions in the documentation and also an example within the samples. IRender interface is used to render the video content to the target surfaces. The IRender has 3 methods which should be called in your application's render loop. First, you prepare a rendering pass by providing the head transform, i.e. head rotation, and calling prepare render frame. Then you should call the render frame for each surface you want to render to. Usually, in case of an HMD, this means 1 per eye, but there may be exceptions depending on the hardware you're using. To finish the render pass, you should call finish render frame. The sample implementations of the HMDs are designed to work together with the IRender interface. IPlayback controls is used to load a local file or stream and then to control the playback of the video with commands such as play, pause, resume, stop, and seek. You can also use it to poll the duration of the file and the currently elapsed time of the playback. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will show you how these interfaces are used in a sample application.